Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Bashy, best friend and manager of Chronicler, recently laid his daughter Alexandria to rest after her tragic passing, reportedly due to hospital negligence. Now, the funeral was an emotional scene with Bashy crying as he mourned the loss of his little girl, his little princess. Now, Chronicler, being a close friend, gave Bashy a shoulder to lean on during his difficult time. Bashy has since received a lot of support from the music industry and fans. Among those showing solidarity were Popcaan, the Unruly Boss, and Drop Top, who attended the funeral to stand beside Bashy and give him the support he needs. Bashy has since called for justice for his daughter, and it's unclear if Bashy is planning legal action against the hospital, but as updates emerge regarding Bashy's next step or regarding the situation, then I will sure to share that with you. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.